Living in Fayetteville means dealing with everything from humid summers to chilly winter days. Your windows play a big role in keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient year-round. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Here are some clear signs that your windows might be due for an upgrade. You feel drafts if you stand near your windows and feel a noticeable breeze, even when they're closed. That's a sign of trouble. Drafty windows let conditioned air escape, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. This drives up your energy bills and makes it harder to keep your home comfortable. Rising energy costs. Have you noticed your electric or gas bills creeping up? Older windows often lose their seal or become warped, allowing warm or cool air to leak out. New, energy-efficient windows can significantly lower your energy usage, helping you save money month after month. Condensation between panes. Modern double or triple pane windows are designed to keep moisture out. If you see fog or condensation trapped between the panes, the seal has failed, and the window is no longer insulating properly. Once this happens, replacing the window is the best option to restore insulation and clarity. Difficulty opening or closing windows should operate smoothly. If they stick, jam, or won't lock properly, it's more than a nuisance. It can also be a safety hazard. Warped frames or swollen wood from Fayetteville's humid climate are common reasons for stuck windows. Noticeable damage, cracks, warping, rotting wood, or chipped frames are obvious signs that your windows have reached the end of their lifespan. Damaged windows not only look bad but can let in moisture, pests, and outside air. Over time, that damage can even affect the surrounding structure of your home. Too much outside noise. If you hear every passing car, barking dog, or noisy neighbor, your windows probably aren't providing enough sound insulation. Modern replacement windows with double or triple panes and insulated frames can dramatically reduce noise, giving you a quieter home. Fading furniture or flooring. Older windows may not have UV protection, which allows harmful sunlight to fade your furniture, flooring, and curtains. If you've noticed fading, new windows with low E coatings can help block UV rays while still letting in plenty of natural light. An outdated look. Sometimes it's simply time for a refresh. Outdated windows can make your home look tired and neglected. Replacing them gives your house a modern facelift, improving its curb appeal and even boosting resale value if you decide to sell. Why replace instead of repair? Homeowners sometimes wonder if repairing old windows is good enough. In many cases, repairs are temporary and cost you more in the long run. Replacement windows offer better energy efficiency, improved security, and a fresh new look, making them a smarter investment for your Fayetteville home. Choosing the right window professional. When you're ready to replace your windows, choose a local professional who understands Fayetteville's weather and building codes. A skilled installer will help you select windows that match your style, fit your budget, and handle our local climate with ease. Final thoughts. Your windows have a big job to do. They keep your home comfortable, efficient, and secure. If you've spotted any of these warning signs, don't wait too long to act. Replacing your old windows can improve your home's energy performance, add value, and give you peace of mind for years to come. If you're in Fayetteville and wondering about window replacement, reach out to a trusted window specialist and explore your options today.